Our vision, though, is really to help small businesses.
Niching is, often people think it's less and restrictive, but it's actually expansive.
The content today provided by Adam and Mike was great. They provided great insights into how I can grow my business.
It makes you think in pretty much every aspect of what you're doing.
It's really a great time spent and you walk away with a lot of information.
It's always good when you can step back from your business and you can start to look at some of the things that perhaps are missing or the things you could be doing better. But things such as, understanding how to automate and systemize your business frees up more time to focus on outsourcing the functional, so you have more time to focus on the vital aspects, and they're the things that really give you differentiation and cut through in the marketplace.
That wraps up Entrepreneurs of Brisbane, hosted by 8Ball Media. We really appreciate everyone that came along. If you have any questions, please don't hesitate to check us out on 8ball.com.au.